place where tradition and artistry come together in the form of clay pottery.
This spot is not just ordinary. It represents the rich culture of Baroy. These ornaments are being shaped and molded by the hardworking and enduring people of Baroy.
Sige, pangalan ni mo, Nay? Mercedes.
Lima Paldo.
Pila edad ni mo ron, Nay?
71.
Tas pila na ka years ay katuig nag-tik-tik
Cinta.
si Tinta. Then, pila edad gani ni mo, Nay? Nag-start ka og tik-tik?
Pinisiti lang ako.
City. Pila po yung mahimo nimo sa isa ka adlaw, Nay, kanang pag-tik-tik nimo?
Kung magpulman ako, magpulma. Basta kung kinaan nila, para kabukin, si kabukot mo.
So after this, there is still one more process for you to make the final product.
Raul Albia Sirino.
Raul Albia.
Sirino.
Sige. Kuan call kaning pila ka buka imong anak call?
Libin.
11. Then, mga pila na ka years ni na kanina inyong business call?
Mga 47, no?
27.
47. Ang starting di ko kabalo. Dayon, nagkanda kong seminar, nag-training na mo, taga IIT. Hindi namin nag-seminar sa inyong eskwelahan.
Sa LN.
Bali, 2 weeks. Dayon, pagkahuman, sa DTI na po, mga 2 weeks po to, doon nag-study patas, kapatagal po na sila mag-display kada Sabado, Domingo. Hantod yun ng kani mo na akong pundasyon sa pag-edukar sa mga bata. Kaya ang lubi na mo,
Sa imo ko, unsa ni ka importante sa inyong pamilya ning ceramics ninyo?
ano yung pinaka-importante sa among pamilya, sa among panginabuhi o
Working with clay pottery is a therapeutic and creative outlet that allows individuals to express themselves through art. From functional pieces like bowls and cups to decorative items like vases and sculptures, clay pottery offers endless possibilities for artistic expression.
So after we grind the block, we're going to mold a bricks. So in order for us to make that, we're going to use this molding shape. After forming the brick, we're gonna put it into it to let it dry. And then after that, we're gonna cook it in the brick oven.
This is what they call pugon, and this is where the bricks are stored for it to be cooked.
Making clay pottery requires patience, skill, and attention to detail, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Not only does it provide a creative outlet, but it also allows individuals to connect with the rich and ancient craft that has been passed down through generations.